How you doing, guys? This is Nelson Tech Tips coming back at you with a new video. Today we're going to be checking the 5 and below $5 RGB mouse. And don't forget to check out my other video on the 5 and below gaming headset that I did not so long ago. Make sure you check it out. Please subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to activate the little bell so you can get all my new videos every time they come out.
Nelson Tech Tips.
Alright guys, so if you're a gamer and you need high performance gaming mouse, take a game to the next level. Plug and play, no need for extra drivers, ergonomic design, fits naturally in your hands, yada yada, comfortable grip, ABS, compatible Windows 10.8.7 Vista XP, Mac OS, Linux, and later operating systems. So, okay, so that's that. There is no instructions. Put that box to the side. There's this little crate thing that comes in the shape of the mouse to protect it. And then there's the mouse. And I swear to God that this weighs just as much of a freaking pen. How much is that? This thing is like lightweight with the cable. There's no instructions. This is what it is. This is just a mouse. A $5 mouse. Okay, let's check it out. By the way, the cable, that's my number one complaint all the time. The headsets that I did, the cables were short, very short. This is like really short. You can't even really put it up in the back of your computer because it has no slack. So you have to connect it in the front panel of the PC. And if you're using a laptop, yeah, that's good. But if you're using a desktop, you don't got enough slack. You don't got enough slack. Let's connect it. Hopefully it reaches. Okay, there you go. And you can't really choose colors. That's just how it is. It go through the colors as it's connecting and you're using it. And I'm not gonna show you the response time because it's the mouse. It's just the mouse. You know what I mean? It's $5 mouse, so you ain't gonna get anything. But it's not like those high performing mouses that you be buying for like 30-40 bucks. This is just the mouse. It changes colors. And I had one kid, I was selling a computer, and gaming computer, and the kid said, "Oh, does it have RGB?" And I said, "Nah." And he was like, "I don't want it then." I'm like, "But what's good is it if it has RGB and it can play games? Who cares about RGB, really? As long as you got good hardware, then you can put RGB later on." You know what I mean? So that's that, guys. And it's pretty legit. Alright guys, you already know what to do. But if you don't, and you're just passing by, please subscribe, comment below. If you have any ideas, comment below, please guys. Let me know anything down in the comment below. And don't forget to activate the little bell, so like that you get my new videos every time they come out. This is Nelson Tech Tips. I'm out.
Nelson Tech Tips.